Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making pizza spaghetti or spaghetti pizza. I don't know. I'm putting it all together. It's going to go in a big old dish. It's going to be like a big casserole and it's going to be delicious. So don't go anywhere. You're going to want to see this recipe. I've got me a skillet warming up over here. I've got me a pan of water getting ready to boil over here. I am dumping in some ground beef. This is only a 10-ounce package. I would probably suggest a full pound, but I do like this really lean ground beef, so I just keep using it, even though it's a small package. I want to get this all nice and browned up. I want to get this started to boil. That way I can bust my spaghetti in half and throw it in the pan. Adding minced garlic. Ooh. To my burger here. I'll say probably about a teaspoon or so. And then I've got Italian seasoning and probably, I don't know, half teaspoon to a teaspoon of it. I'm just gonna let that cook with the burger. My water's boiling. I'm going to bust my spaghetti in half. Trying not to get spaghetti pieces everywhere. I am using a 1-pound box of just regular spaghetti. And I'm going to cook this al dente. I've got a can of diced tomatoes. I'm going to put those in my food processor. And I'm going to smooth them out because Jessie does not like lumpy tomatoes. I think that'll probably be all right. I have about half a cup of milk. I'm going to add 2 eggs to this and whisk it up. Here comes the fun part. I get to put this all together. I'm using a lasagna pan. I'm really never sure how big this is. Maybe 9 by 12, somewhere in that area. It's a pretty good sized pan. I do have it greased. I have drained off my spaghetti. I'm just throwing this in my pan and on the counter evidently too. Ooh, it's hot. Take my milk and egg mixture. Oh, first, almost forgot. I've got shaved, what is this? Shaved Parmesan. I'm gonna sprinkle that all around the top of my spaghetti. And I'm gonna do a little bit of mozzarella, maybe like, I don't know, 1/3 of a cup or something along that. Maybe a half. Now I'm going to take my milk and egg mixture and pour it all over the spaghetti and cheese. Then I will take my tomato sauce. And my pizza sauce, and you can use whatever pizza sauce you want. I just had this in the pantry and figured I'd just use it. It's pretty runny, so I think it's pretty good for casseroles and stuff. Then my burger. The rest of my mozzarella. And the rest of my little bit of shaved Parmesan. And the last ingredient is pepperoni, just like a pizza. unfortunately, I don't have a lot of pepperonis, so I'm not sure how covered my dish will be, but I would like to have it, you know, fairly covered across. These little packets out, don't need to eat those. I've got more pepperoni than I thought I had. Good. Could put several on it. I have my oven preheated to 350. This is gonna go in for about 30 minutes. When it's done, I will get it out, I will plate it up, and I'll show it to you. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating.